7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What's up guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto guys. In today's video, we're taking a look at our model portfolio. The last update we made on the 15th of June 2022, we had over $2,500 in the portfolio. Remember guys, we started the portfolio with $5,000 and we're trying to take it to $50,000. In this video, I'm showing you the changes I made to the portfolio. We're taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart. Bitcoin is battling 20k. We'll see how low can Bitcoin go is the bottom in. We'll also be looking at the Stablecoin Dominance, and then we'll be looking at some other metrics to tell us the next step to take in the portfolio. We're talking about that and more in this video, but first, if you're new to this channel and you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Guys, we have a green week in the crypto market. A lot of altcoins are actually bouncing off the bottom. We have synthetics up 95%, SHIB up 32%, Wave up 50% in the last 1 week. But guys, our model portfolio is currently at $2,611, and the last update we made, we had over $2,500, and since then Bitcoin actually dropped below 20,000. Bitcoin dropped as low as 17,000. When Bitcoin dropped, our portfolio went to as low as 2,300. But right now we recovered. We actually at some point in time we were as high as 2,700. I'm showing you the changes I made to the portfolio. I got some more BTC. Right now our average BTC buy price is at $22,000. And if you notice at this video when we recorded the last update on the 15th of June, our average price was $26,000. We had $1,200 worth of Bitcoin. We had $1,300 worth of stable coins. We sold our altcoins because guys, I believe the altcoins were going to crash harder. Altcoins didn't actually crash hard, but it didn't actually pump at the same time. And let me take this off. Bitcoin dropped to as low as 17,500. Is the bottom in? Will Bitcoin dump lower? Only time we tell right now if the bottom is in, but we got some more Bitcoins. Let me show you guys what we did. We got some more Bitcoins. We got around $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, and that was 0.0556 Bitcoin when Bitcoin was $18,000, and that's taking our average price down to $22,000. You may be wondering, why didn't I just get Bitcoin with all the 1,300? Guys, there's always the chance that Bitcoin can go lower, and if it gets lower, we'll actually get into Bitcoin with this remaining $333. And let's look at some statistics on the portfolio in the last 7 days. The lowest point the portfolio has gotten to was 2,350. The highest point it has gotten to was 3,767. So that's a $350 swing in both directions. The portfolio worth is 87% Bitcoin and 12% stable coins. I believe if the market recovers, Bitcoin is actually going to lead the charge. We're checking the Stablecoin Dominance briefly, and I'll show you why I made those decisions. On portfolio, we still have all-time profits. We're still negative of $2,300, $2,390 to be precise. Our worst performer was sushi. We lost over $790 on sushi. But guys, it is what it is. The market has been tanking. We live and we learn. All these altcoins we dumped, guess what? They are still dumping lower after the price we dumped them. So we actually made the decision to actually dump them. Bitcoin is at 20,000. Bitcoin goes lower than 20,000, maybe around 15, 14,000. We'll be getting some Bitcoin for ourselves, but right now Bitcoin is ranging, and the altcoins are waiting for Bitcoin to make their decision. So when Bitcoin makes the decision, we will actually pivot according to that decision. Checking the Stablecoin Dominance, this is the Stablecoin Dominance, the dominance of stablecoins in the market. Stablecoins in the market has actually been increasing, and this Tether, USDC, DAI, and Binance USD stablecoins. These are the top stablecoins in the crypto market. They are among the top 15 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. And guys, I put it on a 3-day time frame. If you notice something with the Stablecoin Dominance is that it's actually going to new highs. We actually got to as high as 18% of the total crypto market. This was the 18th of June 2022, and that was the day Bitcoin actually capitulated. A lot of people sold thinking Bitcoin is going way lower, but Bitcoin paused. I don't think the Stablecoin Dominance is done. I still think we'll set new highs, so that's why I believe we'll still see further downside for Bitcoin. But we're actually positioned well. If we see further downside for Bitcoin, we still have over $335 that we can use to make some additional purchase. But anytime you see the Stablecoin Dominance on the 3-day time frame coming to its 200-day moving average, and you see that that's when there's actually happiness in the crypto market. That's when Altseason is happening. That's when all the altcoins are pumping. The last time we had that kind of phenomenon, we actually stayed there for a long period of time, from the 4th of January till May 13, 2021. Stablecoin Dominance was on this line, and when we left there, that's when the dump happened. And when we came back to this moving average, the 200 moving average on the 3-day time frame, you can see that this was when Bitcoin got to 69k. So at some point in time in the future, the Stablecoin Dominance is going to fall, and when it falls, we'll see altcoins and Bitcoin pumping alike. But if there's anything, you realize that the trend is upward, so it may fall, but it might not fall to as low as we had it in February 2021 or in November 2020. And that's one graph we want to be watching out for, because when the stablecoin dominance is turning on itself, it means people are actually comfortable to actually start risking money in the market. Right now, people are running to stablecoins because stablecoins don't crash when the market crash. And that reason why the Bitcoin bottom might not be in, guys, is that Bitcoin did not break below its all-time high on the Bitcoin market cap chart. Bitcoin actually just got to its all-time high and boom, it had a bounce. And I don't think that this is the way bottom comes in. If you look at the 2018 Bitcoin capitulation, you can see that after we had that first crash that everybody thought was over, then we had a green candle the next week, and then we went for the final flush. And I think that's what's going to happen right now. We might get one more flush before we end June, and we'll now start July with a pump, but I still feel like there's one more dump. And if we don't get that one more dump, guys, we're actually positioned well. We can actually buy Bitcoin higher. We don't want to go all in right now. If you want to go all in, you want to have dry powder in the bear market. There are all these tricks Bitcoin play, but I believe that in the future you'll be happy you got Bitcoin below 20,000, because guys, if you got Bitcoin in the previous bear market in 2018, you probably got Bitcoin around $5,000 to $3,000 region. When the market pumps, people are wishing, oh, why didn't I get Bitcoin when it was 4,000, 5,000? It's because people are scared when the market is down, and when the market is up, people are very excited and they'll be willing to spend over $69,000 on one Bitcoin. I'm good to see the Bitcoin dominance chart. The Bitcoin dominance chart in the market is actually increasing, but right now, if you go and check it, you'll see that it's reducing. Just something you should notice, that stable coins in the market are actually increasing, and stable coins are considered altcoins because it's either Bitcoin or other altcoins. So Bitcoin dominance is calculating Bitcoin dominance in the market. So a lot of people were pointing out that Bitcoin dominance was increasing, rightly so. It actually topped on the 13th of June 2022. That's when Bitcoin capitulated, and you can see that the dominance actually had a mad crash from as high as 48% to as low as 44%. Now, you'd have expected altcoins to actually pump or something crazy will happen, but no, altcoins didn't actually pump. Most of them actually stayed stable, while Bitcoin and Ethereum were actually crashing. But what was happening, guys? The stablecoin dominance was increasing into new highs, and that's how we play in our portfolio. We'll be going with Bitcoin because if investors are coming into the space, they want safety first, and safety first in the crypto space means they'll go to Bitcoin. It's when Bitcoin is healthy and Bitcoin start pumping, and then you start seeing people going risks off, start going to altcoins. Altcoins are very, very risky in the bear market. You can see Bitcoin is ranging, and we hope Bitcoin is not teasing us just the way it did after the lunar crash that happened in May. After the lunar crash that happened in May, guys, look at what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin actually teased us. Everybody thought the bottom was in. Bitcoin dropped to 25k. Bitcoin teased us for a whole month before we finally went down. So is this the final phase of the dump? Was this the final dump? Because remember, we thought that this was the dump, the end of the dump, the Terra Luna situation. But then we had this dump that Celsius and 3AC blew up. Are we going to get another dump? And you can see that a lot of volume came in this dump. So Bitcoin is just holding us in the balance right now. We want Bitcoin to show us the way. And in the future, I believe this portfolio will get to $50,000. All you need to do is trust the process, and we'll enter Bitcoin. And we're in Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin pumps and Bitcoin is healthy, we might end up selling Bitcoin at some point in time, because I believe the crypto market will actually double bottom every time. Bitcoin will not just give you one chance to get the bottom. Most times it give you 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 chances. You just have to be alert and look at in 2018, a lot of people that got here regretted not buying when Bitcoin pumped to 12k. They were like, oh, I wish I bought at 5k. Then Bitcoin dumped and we had the COVID sell-off. A lot of people were scared again, but this was the second opportunity to buy the bottom. If you bought Bitcoin from $5,000 to the bottom that stopped here at 3,800, you would have been happy you did. And this might be the last opportunity to actually buy Bitcoin below 20k. So we'll be holding this Bitcoin for the time being. At some point in time, we'll pivot to altcoins, but the Bitcoin dominance will tell us when to pivot to altcoins, and we want to see Bitcoin dominance increasing the market. But stable coins might actually have a say to that. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think we should do with the portfolio? Do you think we should add some more coins? We should gamble more on altcoins, because remember, we had some altcoins and that's what took us down in this dip. We had XRP, EOS, Sushi Swap, and Bitcoin Cash, and we sold them at huge losses. We lost over $500 on XRP, we lost $500 on EOS, we lost $790 on Sushi Swap, and we lost $257 on Bitcoin Cash. Right now we're in Bitcoin. We've turned to Bitcoin maximalist for the time being because of the bear market. Do you think we're going to get 50k? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. If you want to see other updates to the portfolio, I have a playlist right here, Mr. Legend Portfolio Updates. You can check it out, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1